Let me show you how I took this picture from looking like this to looking like this, from this to this, and from this to this. All you need is a single prompt and an AI tool that can help you to heal these pictures from being very old to becoming new, but at the same time retaining the original version. Let me take you through how I do it. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is, first of all, use your phone camera to take pictures of these photographs. Okay, when you take these pictures, we are talking about restoring old photos that you took way back. So when you take pictures of these photographs, save them on your phone, then open Gemini. Yes, tap and open Gemini. When you open Gemini, you have to upload. Tap on this plus sign here to upload that photo. Choose gallery to upload those photos from your gallery, like this one here. I intentionally made this one this blurry because I want to test something on Gemini. So when I uploaded this photo, all I needed was to put this prompt here. Don't worry about this prompt. I'm going to put this prompt in the chat for you. So look at the prompt. It says restore this old or damaged photograph to high quality while keeping all original facial features and identities accurate. Remove scratches, stains, tears, and noise. Fix faded areas, missing sections, and broken edges while preserving the natural look of the image. Restructure damaged or missing details realistically. Skin texture, hair, clothing, background. Improve clarity, sharpness, and lighting without altering the era or style of the original photo. Do not change the people, pose, or setting. Only enhance and repair. Produce a clean, sharp, high-resolution restored version. If any of the parts of the image are missing, add this. Rebuild missing facial or background details in a natural and historically consistent way, matching the lighting, texture, and tone of the original paragraph. So this is a very powerful prompt. It is not very regular. So this is the prompt you need. And when I put it, this is what Gemini produced for me. So it took this picture from looking very blurry and old to this clean and still maintaining the color, the facial, and the original lighting. You see that? Then I put this one. If you can see, there are some cracks on this picture. Okay, then it healed it from being like that to being like this one, still maintaining the version and the cleanliness and the quality. Now I put this one again and say restore these two. Then Gemini restored it to this one, looking very neat and beautiful. And I put this one as well, and it took it from this one very broken picture to this. And I still say that it has it has crack on the face, because you can see that the crack on the face. After restoring it from being like this to this, I said there is still a crack on the face, and Gemini healed the crack afterwards. So it is very easy to do all of these things now. All your old photos can be restored in a very quick manner. All right. And don't forget that if you want to animate these photos that you have healed, it is simple, it is easy, it's straightforward. All you need to do is to take these photos to Meta AI and ask Meta AI to animate this photo. This is when you need to tell it what you want this photo to do. But if you don't have any idea what you want these photos to do, simply say animate, and Meta AI will think or imagine what you want and simply animate it for you. This is wonderful. This is brilliant. Go and heal your old photos now.